If you love cheesecake, but you don't want to deal with turning on your oven, then you're not going to want to miss today's recipe. It's a no-bake cheesecake, and it's the best recipe ever. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make no-bake cheesecake. I love this recipe all year long, but especially in the summer when I don't want to turn on my oven. It's got a thick graham cracker crust and a sweet and creamy cheesecake filling. You're going to love this recipe if you love cheesecake. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. To make the graham cracker crust, mix 3 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/3 cup of sugar and 11 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's been melted. Stir that together with a fork. I like using a fork instead of a spoon because I feel like it keeps the mixture nice and sandy. Once it resembles coarse sand and the butter is all mixed through, then you're going to add the crust mixture into a springform pan. You can use a 9 or a 10-inch springform pan. Press the crust into the pan at the bottom and up the sides. Then chill it for 10 minutes. All right, I'm gonna chill my crust while I make my filling. Make sure you chill your crust for at least 10 minutes. Now, before I start my filling, you wanna make sure that you've left your cream cheese out to come to room temperature. The secret to a lump-free cheesecake is room temperature ingredients. So you wanna make sure that your cheesecake is properly softened. I usually leave it out for an hour or 2 on my counter. To make your cheesecake, add 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese to a large bowl and beat it a little bit to make it nice and smooth. Make sure it's room temperature to avoid lumps. Then you're gonna add 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure to use regular sweetened condensed milk, not low fat. Mix that together until it's nice and smooth. Then you're gonna add 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, let's talk about lemon juice for a second. I know some of you are gonna be like, oh, lemon juice, I don't wanna add that to my cheesecake. I don't want lemon cheesecake. Don't worry, it's not gonna change the flavor of your cheesecake. The acid in that lemon juice is gonna cause a chemical reaction with the sweetened condensed milk, and that's gonna make your mixture thicken. So don't omit the lemon juice or your cheesecake won't set. Then just mix your cheesecake filling until it's nice and smooth and no lumps remain. Once you are finished mixing, go ahead and add it to the crust that's been chilling in the refrigerator. And then you're going to want to chill the cheesecake until it's nice and set. It'll take at least an hour or so. All right, now that my cheesecake's been sitting for about an hour or 2 in the fridge, it's nice and set and it's time to taste. And here we go. I have this beautiful cheesecake slice. It's a thick, creamy cheesecake, and look at that thick graham cracker crust. I am all for a thick crust. That's why I'm crazy for crust after all. All right, let's taste this delicious cheesecake. The flavor of the cream cheese really comes through, so it really tastes like an authentic cheesecake, even though we didn't have to bake it or slave over it all day. The crust is crunchy, even though it's not been baked. It adds a little bit of sweetness. This is the perfect creamy no-bake cheesecake. You're gonna love this recipe. No matter how you top this cheesecake, it's absolutely delicious. Leave me a comment and let me know what you're gonna top it with. Pie filling or fruit or apple slices. I wanna know what you're gonna top the cheesecake with. Keep watching for more delicious recipes. I'm gonna go and finish my cheesecake.